Hi guys, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the fertilizer we're going to be using this season and probably from here on out. I had been looking for a plant-based fertilizer, and we've used others like alfalfa meal, kelp meal, seaweed emulsion, and of course compost, our own compost and stuff we have brought in. Well, I was looking for more information on a fertilizer that was both plant-based and would kind of do it all and not too expensive. Then I heard Mr. Arnosky of the Arnosky Family Farm in Texas. He uses only cottonseed meal for their fertilizer. So now that is what we're trying out, and it's just this light powdery grainy material. It's crushed cottonseed. That's a byproduct of cotton manufacturing. What it does is it's going to help your soil eliminate runoff, and it helps aerate tight, dense soil, which is cool because I think we're mostly clay where I am, and it aids